Thank you, Madam Speaker. I rise to ask question 154 of 2017 under my name in today's order paper, and the question is directed to the Honourable Minister of Defence and National Security, and the question is, will the special constables get an increase in pay? Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you. I give the floor to the Honourable Minister for Defence and National Security.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. I'd like to thank the Honourable Ratu Selananovo for this question this morning. Madam Speaker, for all members of Parliament will remember that the Special Constabulary was inherited from the British system of policy with the aim of providing auxiliary support for the regular force during national crisis, national events like the Hibiscus Festival, and also during HADR. The increase in special constabulary pay normally coincides with the increase in salaries for civil servants. To the question, Madam Speaker, there is no increase in the pay for special constables.
Thank you.
Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Honourable Nambulivo.
Supplementary
question.
Can the Honourable Minister tell us the total number of special constables who are in the force right now?
Thank you, Honourable Minister.
A total number of special constables as of today is 1,007. 1,007. Sorry. Those are the special constables private. 1,007. Corporals 65, Madam Speaker. Sergeants 24. Inspectors 11. And senior inspectors 2.
Thank you.
Supplementary question.
I'd like to either one from government, one from opposition, and one opposition. So which of the opposition? Honourable Semesa Karwaki.
Madam Speaker, could the Honourable Minister explain to this House what is the pathway available for the special constable to enable them to become regular police officers? Thank you.
Thank you, Honourable Minister.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Special constables are recruited at divisional level, and also they are trained in the divisions. As they prove themselves, they can progress to become regular officers.
Thank you, Honourable Samuel Labuniwalu.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Have this special constable been paid overtime recently, and how much? Thank you.
Thank you, Honourable Minister.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. The overtime pay, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, overtime pay in total that was made recently was $352,626.06.
Thank you. And lastly, Honourable Aaron Rondo.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Can the Honourable Minister advise this House whether the government is considering paying the special constables back pay allowances that is still outstanding to be paid from 2006 to 2010?
Thank you, Honourable Minister.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. As I mentioned, the 206 to 210, those are the figures that I've just mentioned. They were paid a total of $352,626.06. That has already been paid.